Why does Sipsmith Gin taste so outrageously good? Let me show you. Oh, I forgot my drink. You know which city perfected gin? London. You know where we make our gin? Bingo. Gin starts with junipers, and we have the best juniper guy in the business. Nobody even knows his real name. I just call him Juniper Guy.
My name's Craig.
His name is Craig. Bottom part, not good enough. Top part, not good enough. We only use gin from the heart of the batch. Get rid of the rest.
What do we do with it?
I don't know. Even our labels are things of beauty. Who's that guy? Is that me? It's me. Finally, we hand dip every bottle in some sort of magical liquid.
It's just wax.
All right, yeah, that makes sense. So you see, we could make our lives a lot easier. But at Sipsmith, we make gin, not compromises. I wrote that line myself. I like gin.